I miss you so much, honey. I cannot stay without you, my love. I have been thinking about you. I cannot wait to meet you in person. I love you forever, my heart, my love for you is like a never ending story, a tale of joy, laughter, and happiness. You are the one who brings magic into my life, and I am forever grateful for the love and happiness you gave me as I sit here trying to put my feelings into words. I find myself overwhelmed by the sheer magnitude of my love for you. Every moment spent with you feels like a beautiful dream, and I cherish each second we share together. You are my happiness, my heart desire, my everlasting flame, the one that makes my heart beat fast, my love, my tune. I cannot think for a second without you in my mind. I cherish you, princess of beauty.